Welcome to this video on smoke detectors. Choosing the right technology for your home can save lives. Today we'll compare optical and ionization smoke detectors to help you decide which is best for your safety. There are two main technologies used in home smoke detectors today: optical, also known as photoelectric, and ionization. While both serve the goal of saving lives, they use different physical principles to detect smoke. Optical detectors use light-based technology. They rely on the principle of photoelectric scattering to detect larger smoke particles, typically between 0.4 and 10 micrometers in size. The process is straightforward. An LED emits a beam of light. When smoke enters the sensing chamber, the particles scatter the light onto an angled sensor, which then triggers the alarm. Ionization detectors operate differently by using a small amount of radioactive material, specifically AmERI-Cium 241. This technology is designed to detect much smaller microscopic smoke particles ranging from 0.01 to 0.3 micrometers. In an ionization detector, radiation ionizes the air, creating an electric current between metal plates. When smoke enters, the particles neutralize the ions, causing a drop in current that triggers the alarm. To understand which is better, we look at the two types of fires: smoldering fires, which are slow and produce large particles, and fast flaming fires, which are high heat and produce microscopic particles. Optical detectors win for smoldering fires. They can respond 15 to 50 minutes faster than ionization models, which is crucial for preventing carbon monoxide poisoning while you sleep. Ionization detectors excel in fast flaming fires, providing a 30 to 90-second advantage. However, even in these scenarios, optical detectors still sound the alarm in time to escape. A major factor is nuisance alarms. Ionization sensors often trigger from steam or cooking fumes, leading residents to disable them. Optical sensors are generally less prone to these false alarms. This table summarizes the differences. Optical detectors are better for smoldering fires and offer fewer false alarms, while ionization detectors are faster at detecting flames but come with higher nuisance issues. Considering the ability to detect deadly nocturnal fires, minimize false alarms, and ensure batteries remain installed, optical technology is often considered the superior single choice for homes. For optimal safety, many manufacturers now offer dual sensor alarms. These units combine both optical and ionization technology, ensuring immediate detection for all types of fire. Another strategy is smart placement. Use optical alarms in bedrooms to prevent false alarms, and ionization units in garages where chemical fires may occur. Always remember to interconnect your units. In summary, understanding the science behind your smoke detectors is key to home safety. Choose optical for living spaces and consider dual sensor technology or strategic placement for complete coverage.